Welcome back to Ride and Thrill. Today, we're diving into the 2025 model of the TVS King Cargo, India's latest and reliable workhorse for load-carrying needs. If you're looking for a powerful, fuel-efficient, and cost-effective rickshaw for your business, stay tuned. TVS has made some impressive updates in the 2025 model, so let's start with the engine. It's equipped with a robust 199cc 4-stroke single-cylinder engine. This gives it a powerful torque, perfect for carrying heavy loads while navigating busy Indian roads and narrow lanes with ease. The power output is around 8.7 horsepower, which means you can haul more goods without straining the engine. One of the standout features of the TVS King Cargo 2025 is its improved fuel efficiency. Thanks to TVS's advancements in combustion technology, you're looking at a mileage of roughly 25 to 30 kilometers per liter, depending on load and road conditions. With fuel prices on the rise, this is a big plus for daily drivers and small business owners. Let's talk about the cargo space. The King Cargo has a well-designed, spacious loading area that can carry up to 500 kilograms, making it versatile enough for different types of loads, whether it's transporting goods within the city or delivering supplies to nearby towns. TVS has also enhanced driver comfort. The seating is ergonomic, and they've included easy-to-reach controls and an updated instrument panel with essential information. For drivers who spend long hours on the road, these small details make a big difference. To handle Indian roads, the King Cargo 2025 is equipped with a reinforced suspension system, giving it stability even on rough roads. This means smoother rides and less maintenance, which is crucial for businesses focused on minimizing downtime. In terms of looks, the 2025 model has a sturdy build with a rugged finish. It's designed to be durable and withstand harsh environments, which is why it's already gaining popularity among small businesses and local suppliers. So, that's a quick look at the 2025 TVS King Cargo. With its power, efficiency, and durability, it's a solid option if you're looking for a reliable cargo rickshaw. Let us know in the comments if you'd consider this model for your business, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews and insights on the latest vehicles. This is Ride and Thrill, and we'll see you on the next ride.